boundless ocean, endows vitality into human civilization, and facilitates global trade. COSCO Shipping Heavy Industry Company Limited, as the industrial backbone of China COSCO Shipping Group, the world's largest shipping enterprise, is committed to providing world-class equipment and services for global shipping and marine development. All member enterprises are strategically located along the China's rivers and coasts, with a service network spanning major countries and regions worldwide. We are embracing the new era of green, low-carbon, and intelligent development. We are pioneering the dual tracks of green and low-carbon, and digital and intelligence, driving forward green production, digital operation, and intelligent manufacturing. We are actively developing strategic emerging industries to foster new quality productive forces. We are the pioneer in modern merchant shipbuilding, operate state-of-the-art large-scale shipyards. We are the standard bearer of intelligent manufacturing in China's shipbuilding industry. Our shipbuilding quality and efficiency rank among the best in industry, with over 1,000 vessels delivered, spanning mainstream ship types such as container ships, oil tankers, and bulk carriers, as well as specialized vessels like the pulp carriers, heavy lifting ships, and engineering vessels. We have pioneered new ship types such as methanol dual-fueled, LNG dual-fueled, ammonia dual-fueled, battery-powered, and unmanned vessels. Over 10 ship types have filled critical gap in China's shipbuilding industry. Renowned as China's Shiprepair giant and premier FPSO conversion facility, we handle over 1,500 ship repair and conversion projects annually, consistently ranking as the global leader in ship repair volumes for many years. We are committed to ship full lifecycle management, making us the preferred partner in China for world-renowned shipping companies. We have successfully delivered over 20 FPSO conversion projects, accounting for 80% of the market share in China. We are aggressively advancing new energy ship repairing and conversion, with a wealth of experience and successful cases to our name. We are the trailblazer in offshore engineering equipment construction. With cutting-edge offshore engineering construction bases, we have passed HSSE audits by BP, Shell, Woodside, Total, Petrobras, and Equinor, etc. We have delivered over 100 offshore products and more than 40 module projects, serving oil fields in the North Sea of UK, the Gulf of Mexico, Brazil, and European wind farms. Our remarkable achievements have earned widespread acclaim in industry. We are a professional solutions provider for marine and offshore support services, with multiple manufacturing facilities for marine and offshore support products, and a team of highly skilled technical support and service engineers. We have established a comprehensive maritime service network along China's coastline. We provide tailored solutions for new energy support businesses to meet customer needs. We create value for our clients. Our exceptional marketing and service team, world-class technical design capabilities, people-oriented safety management. A team of master craftsmen striving for excellence. Enhanced welfare for employees. Joyful work, healthy living, harmonious families, sharing happiness. We generate returns for shareholders. By strengthening and optimizing our operations, we preserve and enhance value, leading industries and driving coordinated development. We contribute goodness to the society, protecting the environment and promoting green development, spreading love and warming hearts. The journey is long, but the original intention remains unchanged. Only for the oceans of the world to be filled with human exploration and dreams.